Oh, there we go. Alright guys, welcome to a video of Ro snoring. Yep, there he is.
Steven, go to his room with the marker.
Not over there.
Yeah, he's actually not over there. No.
That's a surprise.
Who snores like that? That's disgusting.
I don't know. He's like not even snoring. He's like moaning.
Yeah.
It's like a cow.
Well,
Merv.
I would prefer a cow moo over that.
Bro.
Does he sleep with the headphones in? Like,
I don't know. I think he's using the laptop mic, so it picks up everything.
What?
Sounds like a manatee.
yeah, he just randomly goes to sleep like all the time.
Yeah, you should probably do something about that.
Yeah.
Why the fuck is this a commercial about Subway?
Because it's it's to get those people who eat like Krabby Patties at 3 a.m.
Yeah. Like Patrick.
Like, does Ro have like a built-in snore thing that he starts snoring at 3?
What, they got a Fritos chicken enchilada? Yeah. What the fuck is this shit? Seriously, they got a Fritos chicken enchilada sandwich.
Okay, Rob, no one wants to hear you talk about your enchilada sandwich.
No, that's fucking stupid.